closer to yours. Catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your...
We're about 10 miles away. Tomorrow we're going to be doing probably a big beach day, and we're just looking forward to that. It'd be nice, you don't have to deal with traffic or parking. We can literally just walk right outside the resort, right onto the beach, and then we'll highlight everything. We're going to highlight the resort, what it offers. I know there's a pool, there's a cabana there. There's the casinos downstairs. We're probably not going to be doing much of that. I don't think we're going to be going into the casino because we have the kids with us, so this is more of a family trip. So we probably won't do much of the casino. We might show it, but we're not going to go in or anything since we have the kids with us. But there's restaurants on site, and then we're going to experience, you know, the boardwalk, all that stuff. I know Atlantic City is real famous and popular for their boardwalk, so we're looking forward to that and just experiencing the area. And the check-in process was really nice for this hotel. We did a pre-check-in. They just texted us a few hours before check-in and said, hey, pre-check-in is ready. I just clicked on a link, and we just told them our ETA and how we're getting there. Just said 5 o'clock, you know, personal automobile, and we just accepted their terms and conditions. We just checked in, and then they text you when the room's ready. We just now got a text about 5 minutes ago, and they said your room's ready. You don't have to stand in line. They have a pre-keyed type of process, and the casinos are actually right here. We're now seeing some casinos and resorts and stuff in Atlantic City as we're driving in on the road right now. So, but yeah, the pre-check-in was awesome. It was nice. Didn't have to talk to anybody. Just filed a link, told them what time we were going to be there, and then they just texted us and let us know our room's ready, and we just go there, pick up the key, and it's real smooth. We'll show the resort. We'll show the room we're staying in. We're hoping to get a beachfront room. We have a king contemporary room right now. I called a few days ago asking for the beachfront room. They just said it's first come, first serve, so we're not checking in too late today. We're hoping, fingers crossed, that we'll be getting that beachfront room. With this resort, it's first come, first serve, so all their king rooms are just first come, first serve. So they have a standard view, a city view, and then the beachfront room. The resort looks amazing. It's beautiful. The rooms look beautiful. It's got a very nice, posh, clean, contemporary look in the pictures. So we're really looking forward to just enjoying the resort, enjoying the room. And then as far as the city, we're going to be experiencing the boardwalk and the beach. So we're really looking forward to this trip. This is our first legit kind of big family vacation that we've done this summer. Yeah, there's kind of been kind of small, just some parks and stuff, and we did some stuff in New York, just parks and stuff like that. Actually, our resort's right there. It looks beautiful. It's all glass, and it says Ocean Resort right on it. We'll check in with you guys later once we're done and settled in. We'll show you the room and go. there. And then down here, there's like a little patio area. So this checking in, we saw people coming back in from the beach. They had the beach chairs and all that stuff in their hands going into the elevators. So and there's another thing about the elevators too, they were really quick. Like we're on the 24th floor and we were literally probably in the elevator for 30 seconds. It was very smooth. It barely felt like you were moving, but you're moving pretty quick. That was a nice feature of that. Elevators are nice and quick. They were pretty spacious. We fit all our luggage and strollers and all that stuff in one trip. So pretty spacious elevators, and there's a lot of them too. There's I think 3 different sections of elevators for different levels. There wasn't much waiting for elevators. We literally pressed the button, hopped right on, and we're up on our floor within a matter of 30 to 45 seconds. So but yeah, it's really it to show you right now. That's the room. This is the amazing view. And as we do more and more stuff, we'll check in and highlight everything that we're doing. So thanks for joining us, guys, and we'll see you later.